A maintenance technician at a chicken processing plant today has to know how to program a PLC. It's a digital computer that controls mechanical equipment. So they can't have a beat and bang mechanic. I could tell you this, there's 56 courses in our little department. There's not one person here who's got skill who's looking for a job. Look at that big coffee machine.
Yeah, it looks like a huge coffee machine.
Yeah, turn it on.
Yeah.
That's the 3D printer. It's kind of like when you get a CAT scan, it does layers. And it follows that profile that we drew in the CAD system, the 2D profile. It's sort of like a real precise glue gun. It thinks that that X-axis is to the right on this tray. And it thinks the Y-axis is inside, away from my chest. And it goes down and it starts to lay out the support material on this tray. And then I think it gets about 450 degrees in there. It's pretty hot. This is 12 by 12 by 15 is what we can do. We could glue the models together and make bigger ones. And then it tells you how many hours it's going to be. We let it run all night. We turn it on, let it go all night. I thought the plastic would be expensive. It's not. Those boxes that got plastic, I've been hiding plastic in these labs. I thought it was going to be so expensive, so I kind of stockpiled it at the beginning. Whenever we'd have money, I'd write another word, I'd get another box. But that's the support material and the plastic. So I thought we were going to have to bill each student a material charge. But we can let them make almost as many parts as they want. Because, you know, they got to sort of stand in line to get access to the machine. It takes a long time to make a model. And they can draw it with a pencil, draw it in CAD, produce it and take it on their job interview with them. So they have a whole assembly that shows how they worked out all the interference problems and all the tolerancing. And then they produce a detailed drawing. That's industry standards. So they do an isometric exploded view that shows how it all goes together. And then a detailed drawing that's got all the specifications that shows how they build it to what tolerance, what material, what the size and location of every feature on that part, on that model is. It's exciting stuff. First piece we made for the machine gun industry was this bolt. And it's a complex file. I believe it was designed in SolidWorks. They sent us the file, we massaged the data a little bit, and sent it to the printer. 13 hours later, we had a bolt. So that's the 3D printer store.
Yeah.
Part of our technology department. That was $24,990, that one, on sale. The first time I put it in the budget was at another college. It was $275,000. The equipment's expensive. Yeah. And we've amassed a lot of it. But we're in business, and you know, a student can go to school with us for less than $100 a credit. If they're in the 3 contiguous counties that are in our service delivery areas, they go for less than $100 a credit. That's the cheapest in our state. Yeah. And we have small classes and instructors that care.